Hey Wellness Warriors, I am Poonam Pirwani, your holistic health coach. Today I am sharing with you a very interesting and powerful formula to transform your health effortlessly. I call it 9 to 1 rule. Yes, it is 9 to 1 rule. It's a countdown of 9 essential habits. A countdown of 9 essential habits, if followed daily, will keep you fit, energetic, and disease free. This rule is so easy to follow, and I promise, if you follow even half of this, you will definitely feel the difference. So let's get started. And make sure you follow the video till the end, because the rule number 1, which I will share at the end, is really a game changer. So 9 stands for 9 glasses of water. Your body is 70% of water. If you dehydrate, you will feel low on energy, your digestion will slow down, and also you will get toxins which will get accumulated inside the body. Drinking enough water is very, very important because it helps to flush the toxins out of your body. It also helps in metabolism. It also keeps your skin glowing. Here is the pro tip for rule number 9. So start your day with 500 ml, that is just 2 glasses of water. It will help to detoxify and flush out the toxins from your body. Sip water every 1 to 2 hours, even if you are not thirsty. Add lemon, mint or chia seeds in water for extra benefit. Rule number 8 is prioritize your sleep. Quality sleep is very, very important. So 8 hours of sleep per day will definitely help you. Want to lose weight, improve your skin and feel fresh every day? Then 8 hours of sleep is very, very important. Your body repairs, detoxifies and balances hormones at night. Lack of sleep leads to weight gain, cravings and stress. Simple sleep fixes are: no screen time 1 hour before the bedtime. Have light dinner. Have your dinner preferably by 7 p.m. It will help you to improve your sleep quality. Try a bedtime ritual like chamomile tea. You can do journaling. And you can also practice breathing exercise. Rule number 7. 7 colors on your plate. Your plate should be a rainbow plate. Food is medicine. More colors on your plate, better is your health. Why 7 color plate? Because each color has a different nutrient and a different benefit. Example, red in tomatoes and pomegranate is good for heart health. Orange in carrots is good for immunity and skin. Yellow in turmeric as well as in bananas, it is good for gut and liver. Green from spinach and coriander, good for detox and energy. Blue and purple from berries is good for anti-aging. White, example from garlics, helps to fight infections. Brown from nuts as well as whole grains, good for your brain and also provides lot of fiber. Aim for at least 5 colors in your plate per meal. Rule number 6. 6 mini meals per day. Don't overload your stomach with 3 heavy meals. Instead, take 6 mini meals per day. It will help you to provide steady energy and weight loss. Small meals help you to have a control on your blood sugar level. It will also help to reduce the cravings and also helps in digestion. Eat every 3 to 4 hours. It will prevent overeating. So here is the sample meal plan. At 7 a.m., start your day with a warm water and nuts. At 9 a.m., have a healthy breakfast with options like besan chilla loaded with vegetables. At 11 a.m., have fresh fruits. It should be seasonal, regional and reasonable. Have your lunch between 1 to 2 p.m. It should be a balanced meal. At 5 p.m. you can have herbal teas. You can also have option for sprouts or seeds. At 7 p.m. have light dinner. Golden rule: no eating after 7 p.m. Rule number 5: deep breathing daily. Deep breathing is very important to detoxify, but yet we ignore it. Why 5 minutes of deep breathing? It helps you to calm your stress, improve focus, and also helps you to balance the oxygen level. You can also do a simple practice of box breathing. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, and exhale for 4 seconds. You can also just sit alone. Close your eyes and keep calm. Your body will really thank you for this. Step number 4. Minimum 4,000 steps per day. Movement is medicine. If you don't require daily gym, you must move daily. Why 4,000 steps daily? It helps to prevent obesity, diabetes, and even joint stiffness. Just walk 30 to 40 minutes daily. It helps to improve your heart health. Easy way to ensure minimum 4,000 steps daily is when you're talking over the phone, you can walk and talk. You can climb the staircase in place of lift. Rule number 3. No heavy meals 3 hours before the bed. Eating late night leads to fat storage, bloating, and poor sleep. Late night eating increases insulin level, which can lead to weight gain. Sleeping on a full stomach leads to a lot of acidity and also disturbs the sleep. So have light dinner at least 3 hours before the bedtime. Like dal, vegetable soups. You can also have khichdi. Rule number 2, very interesting, 2 days per week, the cheat meal. Because deprivation leads to a lot of binge eating. So enjoy your favorite food at least twice a week. Trick is savor it, chew it slowly, and balance it with the healthy meals. And rule number 1, which is the game changer, that is the me time. The most important rule is to prioritize yourself. Why 1 hour daily? Stress and burnout leads to hormonal imbalance, weight gain, and also mental exhaustion. When you take care of yourself, everything else will automatically fall in place. How to do it? You can do morning walks, yoga, breathing exercises, dance, or even listening to music at least 1 hour a day. It should be exclusively your time. So that's 9 to 1 rule, which is simple and easy to follow, and it's even life-changing. Now tell me which number you will start today. If you find this valuable, like, share, comment, and share it with someone who needs this. If you require any personalized plan, DM me. I will definitely be happy to help you. Your health is wealth. Let's make it effortless.